What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video we're going to be wrapping a hood scoop on a Subaru WRX. I think it's a 2006 if I'm correct. So this is the scoop. Customer just dropped it off yesterday, so I'm going to wrap it now. We're going to have to do an inlay just because of the sharp edge here. You're best off doing an inlay and being able to hold it down that way. So we are using a film that was provided by the customer. This is Vvivid's Nardo gray that we're going to be using for this. Clean it with clay bar, clean it with ISO, and then lay down some knifeless tape where I want my lines to be, which I'm thinking the inlay will start here. It'll come along here like this, and it'll be this whole section with that. Will be laid in, and then we can do a top piece over top, laying over top of the overlay seams, so that when water runs, it runs over top, not hitting a hard edge. You want to be pushing that either out of the line where you want to cut or inside a line where it doesn't matter. In this case, I'm pushing it out or just into the inner piece of the scoop because that's going to get cut anyway, so we can pull back there. We're only keeping from here to that. So the reason you always want to leave extra is so you can snap it before you hit the edge of the film. Okay, I'm going to run the 8-piece on the inside here too, because it's going to be kind of annoying to get a knife in there. Backing off of there. Just going to lay that into place like that. Now, if I just lay it into place flat, not coming up like that, and it's actually not even far enough there. All right, so I got it. I hope you guys can see that. I did get it wrapped up there. So now I just have this weird bunch of film right here, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a relief cut, probably a couple actually, and then I'm gonna be able to fold it over and wrap it over there. But I don't need to go far because as you can tell, my knifeless is right there. So I just need to be able to wrap past that knifeless a little bit. But we're gonna make a relief cut there. We're gonna make another one there. And we might actually just totally cut that out. You want to be using a really sharp blade when you're doing stuff like this. So we are pretty much right there by our knifeless. Just gonna make a few more little relief cuts. Okay, so now we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna stretch from here this way, going this way, and then we'll get the film up into that corner and make another relief cut here. It'll make it easier going around this corner. Kind of let it set in there. Not putting a bunch of pressure, it's not pushing a bunch. Not a bunch of tension in there.
Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has me.
So now there's tension here. But technically I'm past my knifeless tape line. So we're just gonna cut that. And we're gonna cut that.
Take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve it now.
And while I can't get the perfect angle here, I'm just kind of guiding it with my thumb. Pull out. That piece is done. Now I can pull this extra stuff on the inside of the scoop there, folks. Extra stuff, extra file. You just call it stuff. Okay, so now I just need to wrap these edges here. Heat up, pull all tension on it. Using my thumb. Also, I'm just guiding it with my thumb here because that edge. Now we can pull that back. Take the tape away. Now we just need to take and probably heat up and get this edge down a little bit better yet. And then take a knife and just trim it.
so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I
Sharp
put
blade, not a lot of pressure.
But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta
You
work
really don't need a lot if you have a sharp blade.
into your hands. A plan your own hands can land.
Want to cut into the paint, body cut under that.
Accountability, they want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes
There we go.
power.
That part is done. And now we are ready to move on to the big piece. Okay, so we got it laid down. Go ahead.
I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be me. Yeah, we all wanna be.
Now we're gonna just do a little stretch to you over here. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that like that for a second. I'm gonna get this side to the same point. Okay, so we do have two little wrinkles there. That's easy to get out. We are going to snap that back, snap that back. At this point, I'm going to take this protective cap on. Some films that have a protective cap, you can wrap it with, as far as I did, or further if you wanted to. Or some you just can't. Some it's too rigid. Okay, now because I'm right up to, almost up to where my knifeless is, where I ended my inlay, I'm gonna take and make a cut here. that. So now I'm also gonna take and make a relief cut right here. So I'm gonna heat this up and I'm gonna stretch this down into where my inlay is there. As you can see, the film pretty much, it did actually. It wrapped itself around that corner when I pulled and stretched that. So that's beautiful. You will know there's gonna be no issues there as long as you do proper post heat. So, yeah. All right, well guys, we got it finished up. You guys can see close up pictures or video. There we go. Nice clean wrapped cut edges taken care of. And it looks good. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys enjoyed this video, if this was helpful at all, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, comment down below, like button, do it all. Do it all. Check the links in the description. See you guys in the next one.